Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host, James. Today's gonna be phenomenal. We're gonna be doing pork chops on the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. Now, you don't need an air fryer to do these. You could pop these in the oven. You could do these in oil. You could do these even on the grill if you wanted to. I have an air fryer, so that's how we're gonna do these today. If you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. And let me show you actually what you're gonna get. Take a sneak peek. All right, guys, here we go. So what we have here is 6 pork loin chops. Just so you can see, they're thin cut. They're about 1/4 inch thick. If you can see that, they're not the thick ones. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna season them up. We got some coarse black pepper. We're gonna use some garlic salt, and that's just gonna be the base on half of these. And on the other half, I'm gonna use some lemon pepper on the other half. So let's go ahead and get them seasoned up. Okay, now we've got them all seasoned up. This one has the lemon pepper on it, but there you go. Now let's go ahead and make the flour. All right, guys, so here is the flour. We have 1 cup of flour, and we're going to be adding a 1/4 cup. That's actually a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. With any of your favorite seasonings, I'm just going to add some pepper and some garlic salt, about 1 tablespoon each. It's important to do this to your flour so you get seasoning on the flour. All right, there you go. And then just mix it up thoroughly. And there you go. All right, let's go ahead and get our pork chops ready. All right, guys, so we have the pork chops, and there's no egg wash, no nothing. We're simply gonna take them and dip them in to our flour and our cornstarch mixture. Just like that. So it just has a light coat. That's what you want it to look like, just like that. And we're gonna place them on our air fryer racks, just like that. And I'll bring you back when we're all finished. Okay, guys, everything is floured and cornstarched up. Got all the seasoning in there. We're gonna go ahead and throw these into the air fryer. See you in a minute. Okay, guys, we are at the air fryer. I got one of these racks right here on the middle rack. The other one is gonna go on the top rack. Just like that. Close it up. Power, we're going 375. We're gonna give it 10 minutes and check it. See you in 10 minutes. Okay, there is the first 10 minutes. We're gonna take it out and simply rotate it from the middle rack to the top rack, and the top rack to the middle rack. Close it. We're gonna do the same thing. 375. 10 more minutes. See you in 10 minutes. Alright, guys, it's been another 10 minutes. And let's see how we're doing here. I can tell you already. So this is what we got on the top. Alright, now what you're going to want to do is, if you have any flour remaining on these, like this, there's a little flour. I got a little bit of spray. Just some regular olive oil, and just spritz any of the small pieces that have flour left. And the one in the middle, it's got a few flour spots left. Take that same oil, go ahead and just squirt it so it covers that oil. Now we're going to go ahead and put that one in the middle on top, and that one on the top in the middle. And this time, we're going to bump this thing up to 390 degrees, and we're going to give it 10 more minutes. We'll see you in 10 minutes. Alright guys, it's been another 10 minutes and I want to see what's going on here. Let's see what we got. Ooh, those look really good. Those look really good. Let's see what these look like. Oh, yeah, those look good as well. What we're going to do though, we're going to throw these on top to finish those off and let these finish in the middle rack. Just like that. We're going to pop it in on 390 for another, I'll say 7 minutes, but we'll let you know how long it's been. Alright guys, we're in the last cycle. It's saying off, and I'm going to wait for it to beep. I'm just going to open this thing up and see what we got. Oh, there it goes, beep anyway. It's sizzling. Man, I don't know. Oh, those things are looking amazing. Alright, those ones are looking awesome too. Sweet. So we'll go ahead and we'll bring you over to the cutting board and show you what we ended up with. Alright guys, we are finished with the cook. You've seen it before I took it out. I let it rest for a minute, actually a few minutes. My family came in here and bum rushed and got everything. Got, you know, mashed potatoes and green beans, all kinds of stuff. But they left me a couple to kind of show you what we ended up with. Here's what we ended up with. If you guys can kind of get a look of how, oh man, I mean, just crispy and awesome. I mean, the flavor is amazing. And of course, I gotta take a bite. Alright, so good. Alright, so I really appreciate you guys stopping by the channel. If you're new, please subscribe if you like the content. Make sure to catch all the videos that I have in my iCard. They'll be right up here. Appetizers and all kinds of food. And it just awesome stuff. So anyway, with that being said, I'll definitely enjoy the rest of these tonight. And we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.